Welcome back. You know, creating confidence starts early, and that includes how our children look and feel. Founder of the Kids Premium Palace, Chevelle Thompson, is with me, and I got barber Christopher Farron as well, and they're here to tell us how the new Salon for Kids is doing just that. Morning, Chevelle.
Good morning,
Welcome to Now Jamaica. It's morning time.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
Tell me a little bit about the Kids Premium Palace. First of all, where did the idea come from?
Well, for me, I am always about the kids. I love kids. So the idea came about after I had launched the kids hair products, which is the Kiddies Moisture hair care line. I said, oh, you know, it's a good idea if we offer the service to the kids. Not only that, we wanted to provide luxury to the kids in the heart of Spanish Town, because, you know, Spanish Town it is not so known to have these type of services. So, of course, I wanted to bring that kind of experience to the Spanish Town residents.
All right. Why kids, and why something specific for them? Because I know traditionally, you know, if parents are doing their hair, they'll use whatever they're using in the kids' hair. Why is it important that you define something for the kids especially?
All right, so for me, I have a daughter myself who I was in the market looking for hair care for her, and it was not as easy to find stuff for her. So I thought, okay, I did my research, found products that were suitable for her and that worked for her. So I thought it was best, okay, I find something that will work for my daughter. Why not find stuff that actually help other parents and parents who are actually looking for stuff to actually help them as well.
All right, so I know, you know what it's gonna look like if you walk into a salon for an adult. What does a kids premium luxury salon look like?
Well, the Kids Premium Luxury Salon, for me, it's more than a salon. It's a lifestyle change. Okay. So we offer pedicure for the kids. We offer manicure. We offer barber, hair styling. We also have a little private room that we can give to the kids to have their private parties. So if they want like pampering parties and so forth, we can give it to them. Sip and paint, we give it to them as well.
We're seeing that. Got some lovely got some lovely paintings on the wall that are kid friendly. There you go, Kids Moisture, boys and girls. Yeah, they have a lot of little things there. Nice as a Christmas tree. Love it, love it, love it. So for a first time experience, our parent walking in with a nervous 3-year-old, what happens?
Well, for our staff have been trained to deal with the children who are of all dynamics. So they're patient, they're kind. So first thing, once they come through the door, they feel the warmth, the energy, the embrace. So because we want parents to feel that confidence of, okay, I can leave these children and come back for them. So we give parents the reassurance that they're in good hands. So we try our best, our staff are trained to deal with the kids, be patient with them, and be nurturing at all times.
Yeah, I see you have sensory-friendly touches, lighting, sound, textures, because you have something built in for children on the spectrum, or kids with anxiety.
All right, so our salon wants to cater to the entire children dynamics. So we have parents who have reached out to us saying that they have been struggling to find barbers and hairstylists that caters to the children who are of the neurodivergent group. So they asked if we would take them because normally other barbers, they are like intolerant when it comes on to them. So we have put in place some persons who have been trained to deal with them so that when they can actually come out to our salon. Yeah.
We were talking about in the makeup a while ago about the dolly look and the dolly feel. How do you in terms of even the styles for kids, because sometimes I see kids and I say, I feel like that hairstyle is too adult for them. So how do you strike the balance between creating something that's child friendly, but they also feel like they're hip and they're with it, and yeah?
That's a great question. All right, so our age group for kids is 2 to 17, and regardless of the teenagers, we have to get the parents feedback of our hairstyle. So the child can come inside the salon and say, I want this hairstyle. We have to definitely consult with the parent first and say, is this appropriate? Is this something that you want for the child? And then we proceed.
Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Comfort first. Boy, I saw a little one doing her hair the other day, and she cut her 10 and she take out her iPad and I said, oh, she's very comfortable.
Very much so.
Yeah, and it's important that they have that level of comfort. So it takes the anxiety down. All right, so Barbara is over there barbering. Do I get to hop over? No. All right. Hi, Barber. Who is it that we have working with this morning?
Hi. Tell him my name.
Jamil, you're working with Jamil.
Yeah.
All right. I think Barbara is Mike, so I can ask him a few questions. What's the difference with working with children as opposed to adults?
With children now, they get more like
They're more
yeah.
agitated. Yeah.
Yeah. Adults now we sit and be steady and you can get to go around with them. With children you have to more calm and collective.
Yeah. But Jamil's a great client.
Yeah, he is.
Down there so quiet. Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. I was asking Chabelle about hairstyles. Sometime I was somewhere and when the child walked out, the mother was like, "What is that hairstyle in your ear? That's not what we agree." How do you strike the balance between, giving him a nice, still going to school look, but him want to look hip and hype?
Okay, his parents would have to consult with Chabelle, as she said.
That's what the look is.
Yeah, so we have to make sure that he's comfortable and the parents is as well.
All right, so you do a little negotiating along the way.
So the two of them will
decide where they go from here. I love it. What's the feedback been like? I mean, especially from the folks in Spanish Town, being able to access this kind of luxury service for their kids.
I mean, right now we have a video that is trending on TikTok, over 100,000 views of the grand opening, and you have parents that say, what about us as adults? They are excited to bring out their kids to the grand opening. They can't wait. We have a lot of persons who came by yesterday just to say they just want to know if this place is actually here. So we have been receiving tons of feedback. Persons are looking forward to be here, especially over the weekend. We have already booked for birthday party. Some of them want to book a birthday party special for them and so forth. So the feedback has been great.
That's incredible. So, all right, tell us where you are, and if people want to access the service, how do they do that?
All right, so we are located at shop number 5 in New Brunswick Village. That is 27 Brunswick Avenue, Spanish Town, right where the New Brunswick Village is, where the Sagicor Bank is. You can reach us at 876-884-7403. Or you can reach us via email at thekidspremiumpalace@gmail.com.
All right, guys, it's a palace for your young prince and princesses. So please take them there. It helps to build their confidence, and they look great too. Thank you, Chabelle.
Thank you for having me.
Chris, and thank you, Camille, for being here this morning. She also has products for the kids, by the way. So when you go there, you'll see all of what she has in store. Founder of the Kids Premium Palace, Chabelle Thompson, and barber Christopher Farron. Up next, it's a Caribbean check-in with Amalda Kwong Singh from Trinidad and Tobago. With some come.